Ever wonder why pad see ew in Thailand tastes so much better? This one step makes all the difference. On a plate, add deveined shrimp, salt, white pepper, and cornstarch. Mix until evenly coated. Do you usually end up overcooking the shrimp? This cornstarch coating will keep the shrimp tender and juicy. Cut Chinese broccoli into bite-sized pieces. And mince 3 cloves of garlic. In a bowl, whisk together soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, fish sauce, sugar, and water. This combo gives pad see ew that deep color and savory flavor you taste in Thailand. We are using dry rice noodles today. Here's a tip. Choose the ones with a little starch. That helps them stay chewy instead of breaking. In a pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Add the rice noodles and cook for about 3 minutes, just until softened. We are undercooking them on purpose. They will finish in the wok. Immediately transfer the noodles to cold water. This stops the cooking and keeps the noodle from sticking together. Drain. In a wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado, grapeseed, or peanut oil. Add the shrimp and minced garlic. Stir fry for about 1 minute, just until they turn pink. We're not fully cooking them yet. They will finish later so they can stay tender. In the same wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once hot, crack the eggs and stir fry until partially set. Push them to the side. Add the Chinese broccoli and stir fry for about 1 minute until softened. Remove and set aside. In the wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the rice noodles and stir fry until heated through. Return the eggs, Chinese broccoli, and shrimp to the wok. Then pour in the sauce. Toss everything together for about a minute, allowing the noodles to absorb the sauce. Then let the noodles sit for about 15 seconds without moving. This right here is the secret. That short pause creates the smoky wok flavor you taste in Thailand. And that's it! Smoky noodles and juicy shrimp in every bite. This is the real Thailand-style pad see ew in just 15 minutes. It pairs perfectly with my green papaya salad. If you enjoyed this, subscribe, follow, and like for more Asian recipes in 30 minutes or less. If you're interested in my cookbook, check the description below. Thank you so much for watching.